And for me, I never thought of writing. I always had this thinking in my mind that I'm not going to get this exam. How am I going to prepare? All these questions. And I just backed off from writing the exam or attempting it. But then one of my friends sent me a link of Elite Expertise, and I just watched a video of, I think, cardiovascular system on YouTube. I think Sir was taking it, and I just felt it so clear the way he was explaining, and I felt like someone like this, I need, like, if this is a platform, then I should join it. That's how I came to Elite Expertise. Yeah, I did not refer any materials outside of what was taught, and I think what was taught is more than enough. When you give the exam, you know it, like, everything, you see the answer, you know it, like, it was
so I think we should make the preparation concise, not fast, like what is required, what is actually asked for, and what is required for the system, so that you'll be successful. I think that's the takeaway message. Hi guys, today is the day of results for Opera exam, and our batch, our official Opera batch has given an interview, has given an exam, and now they're here today. Very huge success rate. Will soon be releasing our results, but I've got a chance to interview Liza just in the morning, 11:30 Melbourne time. Hi Liza, what's time there for you? Same time? Melbourne, right?
It's in Brisbane, 10:22.
Congratulations on clearing the Opera exam.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
It takes guts to like go and sit for an exam which is like new and
Yes, that's true. But that makes easier when, for me it was easier because I had the confidence, like, that I was trained properly, because I completed my B.Pharm, I think, 11 years ago. And for me, I never thought of writing. I always had this thinking in my mind that I'm not going to get this exam. How am I going to prepare? All these questions. And I just backed off from writing the exam or attempting it. But then one of my friends sent me a link of Elite Expertise, and I just watched a video of, I think, cardiovascular system on YouTube. I think Sir was taking it, and I just felt it so clear the way he was explaining, and I felt like someone like this, I need, like, if this is a platform, then I should join it. That's how I came to Elite Expertise.
Congratulations, actually. I mean, it was different. Before we had CAPS exam, now Opera. So, and you're the first batch, and like not a lot of people didn't have the guts to go and face the newest exam.
Yeah.
You did, and you did it in very first attempt. You waited for 11 years to give Opera exam. That's funny.
No, we didn't have any plans to come to Australia till last 2 years. So when the plans came up, then I thought I should be doing this exam. But when I came to know this, when I got to know the exam, then I said, no, I can't do it.
But well done. Yeah, well done, dear. And are you working anywhere, full-time, part-time?
Not in a pharmacy. I'm working in an airport, like a casual job. So
you managed to study.
To manage.
Yeah, and where are you from in India?
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala, okay, great.
Yeah.
So I would ask you, like, apart from wishing you all the success, what strategies helped you? How you coped up? How it went? What's your journey? All in your words.
Yeah. So my journey, it's not like anybody else, because from the very first class, it was new to me, because I had lost touch with the things that I learned. And I had not worked in a pharmacy. I was into marketing and sales. So, you don't know, if you ask me what is a drug for blood pressure, I wouldn't know. I was in that kind of a situation. But from the day one, the classes were so, it's like it gets into your mind like an arrow piercing into your brain, it's like that. And it wasn't easy for me, because I had to manage my work and my studies. But then towards the end of the exam, I took a month off, and I was completely dedicated to the classes. And I made sure I listened to the classes at least twice. All the lectures, I think some of them 3 times, but most all of it I listened twice. And the last classes towards the end of the exam, the 4 weeks, it's like life changing. I think I got most of the questions from the MCQs that were discussed, and I was surprised to see, oh my god.
I mean, because we kind of like simulate the exam pattern, like we kind of show you how questions can be asked, and maybe that preparation helped you.
Yeah. And also the mock tests, I when I did the mock test for the first time, it was like 35%, 40%, but towards the end of the exam, I started getting 70, 80, like my scores went up. So this is what I didn't know, that I was gaining the knowledge. Once I started doing the mocks, I realized that okay, I know something. Yeah, so it was really good experience to be with. I just can't thank you enough, ma'am and sir. It's like, so this has changed my life. So I don't know, I just thank God. I've been thanking God for 1 hour now. I cannot sit in a seat. I'm just walking back and forth my house.
That's good. That's so good.
Yeah.
I mean, you should actually celebrate today.
Yes.
I think it's your dog barking there.
Yeah.
Maybe he's also happy. And one more thing is, like in the exam hall, how did you cope up with the pressure?
Actually, before starting the exam, I was a bit tensed. I had butterflies in my tummy. But when I started seeing the first, second questions, it was familiar to me, and okay, I can do this. It was like that. Because all the questions that came were familiar to me. And like you always used to say, you think, you look at the answer, and the answer that comes first answer would be
the right answer. Yeah.
So a lot of the questions from therapeutics, like it was like that for me. And
Oprah is more therapeutics now.
Yeah. Though the questions were confusing, it was like,
you had a strong foundation.
Yeah, strong. Exactly. That's what I wanted to say. A strong foundation. Yes.
Yes. Congratulations. The journey has just started, but I'll let you be happy for today. And then
I know.
From tomorrow, start your struggles to become a pharmacist in Australia. And you're already here, so you know the system and all that. So just get that exposure.
And also, I can't wait to start my internship with ma'am and sir.
Sure. Actually, after you finish internship and once you become pharmacist, like you don't even keep in touch with them. So actually, we've got a lot of interns. They don't even message. They don't even. Opera cap students, they are very friendly and they send messages. But once they become pharmacists, they're like, okay, who are you? So you're going to soon become like that. So congratulations, Liza, and excellent. All happy this morning, all happy news. Yes. So just enjoy your day. Don't think about anything else for today. Good strategies, repetition, I think revision and helped you, and sticking to what we teach helped you, I would say. 3 points. And
I did not refer any materials outside of what was taught. And I think what was taught is more than enough. When you give the exam, you know it, like everything. You see the answer, you know it, like it was.
So I think we should make the preparation concise, not fast. Like what is required, what is actually asked for, and what is required for the system. So you'll be successful. I think that's the take-home message. Thank you so much. It's my first interview for today morning. We'll publish soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm glad that I could talk to you today.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time and for all your love and support for Elite Expertise. And thank you so much, Liza. God bless you. And I hope to see you as a fully qualified pharmacist soon.
Amen. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.